Hi, I'm Shoma Ukil and currently studying BSc in Fashion Design at SS School of Design. My journey starts when I was in 2019 basically. I got a call from SS that I'm selected for Fulbright scholarship, and previously I was doing graduation in another firm, and I couldn't afford that much money to pursuing a degree in graduation from a very higher kind of institute. So when I got that opportunity from here, so I thought why not. From there my journey started, and I came here and I learned so much thing in first year only. In first semester we made a garment. It was not perfect, but it was it was mine. I created that, I stitched that, the whole concept of that garment was mine. I learned so much from here, basically from the faculties that we had, Anubhuti ma'am, Alok sir, Supriya ma'am, who teaches us pattern making, and I got so much confident in pattern making. Previously I was so I was very scared to make patterns and cut them and stitch them, but after the classes I learned so much that I got that confidence, again that confidence to make something like this. Actually it was not that much easy, but we really me and my classmates always encouraged me to do more, because they also doing something very good. So I thought ki why not. I am in semester 4, and actually because of the pandemic we couldn't did a design studio 3, and we are making this right now. So actually we got inspired from Met Gala theme, basically the themes that amazing themes is our inspiration for Design Studio 3, and I have taken Rekha Ko, the art of the in between, the theme that is really inspired me, because Rekha Ko is she is amazing designer. The theme of the 2017 is basically Rekha Ko, the art of the in between. So what is art of the in-betweens? I researched about it and I came up with some of the concepts, and they are like this garment. You can see it's the concept of this garment is construction and deconstruction in between. So I wanted to use basically curtains, because we are learning how to make a sustainable design. So I was searching for curtains, but unfortunately we could not make it, because there is no curtains of leather here where I am living in Kolkata, and that way we can get different type of colors of curtains, and that I don't wanted to use. That's why I had to use this fabric for this garment basically. So everything is in the process, but I'm learning from it. So as from my experience in SS are very amazing, because I got to know lots of things here, and which I have lots of friends in the other college, they don't get that. So yes, I really blessed that I'm here and learning these amazing things, this avant-garde style that is very high fashion and trendy right now, and Met Gala is the theme that everyone would like to work on. And yes, thank you so much.